So today I'm gonna test these new motors. Okay, for me new motors, so they are the Supafly 2207.5 Panda version from Axisflying. This is my favorite rig. This is Keys Ultra with Voltara Esc, and let's see how it flies. I was flying till today. I was flying with T motors 2207, the V2s, and I had a good experience. Let's see if this is an upgrade or I will be disappointed, but I don't think, because I tried also the AF227 Racing from Axisflying, and from the T motors there is a big upgrade. They're really smooth. Let's see what will be today. Okay, so let's see how it flies. This is my standard setup. That I love it. I don't have to do nothing with him. Let's see the difference with the motors. Okay, the AA27 Racing are a little more powerful, I don't know. Maybe I'm not used to the Voltara anymore. Smooth, really smooth. Okay, let's try some. Power loop. Nice, okay. Just click. Okay. I don't see nothing under the... Okay. Okay, some orbit. Okay, multi flip, okay, done. I'm not so much used to these props because I'm normally not using the J37 from HQ. I'm using from Caddx the PV4. I can tell they are really good and smooth. I would have to try with a 5.1 props that I'm used to. These are good, but these motors are really smooth. This is the 1960 version. Okay, I had fun. Oh, not that I'm into the battery. I have still some battery. Let's come back. And here I'll have my final thoughts. These motors are really good. I love them actually. They look really cool. They have a nice color and they look quite robust. I'm flying mostly in the country, on tall grass and like this, but I'm having also rocks, so I destroyed a lot of motors actually, hitting with on the rocks because we did some motor protectors that I designed somehow. I 3D printed, and as I can tell, I like the construction. I like the windings, how they're done. The single wire winding. They're having this unibell that looks good. That's quite good, even if it never happened to me that I broke a bell, kind that they're describing for standard bells. They're quite efficient. I had still 3.5 volts on my 6S battery, and I was not sparing on the throttle, so actually they're for good. Thank you for watching, and subscribe.